Twitch ad revenue is finally coming to all affiliate channels on Twitch, but is it gonna be the big game changer that you're hoping for? I'm gonna show you how ad revenue works so that way you can be prepared for it when it comes to your channel. Let's go. Hey all, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you from my stream support playlist where I help you become bigger and better. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your streams and content, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my video goes live for you. And yeah, just really quick, my voice is pretty much gone from having a fun time at TwitchCon, but that won't stop me from creating awesome content for you. So let's get on to the video. Now real quick, before we begin, there is really no publicized way of how ad revenue will work for affiliates just yet. This is only going to be a hypothesis or a snippet of ideas that I think will help you grow or be ready for when they introduce it, because ad revenue is so unique, and I'm assuming that Twitch's ad revenue for affiliates will basically be implemented in the same way that the biggest company out there does it, which is Google in their AdSense. So this will all be based off of that roadmap to help you understand how ad revenue will go. Now, to catch you up to speed, ad revenue is really based on three key analytic tools: CPM, CTR, and impressions. These particular analytics will really define what your value for your ad is that you'll be serving up to your community or within your channel. Now, for anybody out there that started a YouTube channel and has been able to monetize the channel, the basic roadmap for monetization on YouTube is for every 1,000 views you get on a video that serves an ad, you will earn $1, which essentially means you're earning fractions of a penny per view. Now again, this is just a roadmap because depending on what your niche or what your focus is on for your YouTube channel, you can have a higher CPM because you could be more valued for a particular type of targeted demographic and market out there. For example, when I do one of my painting videos, it has an insanely high CPM because that's a very targeted market that are very interested in watching the video, so people are willing to pay more for that ad slot to be served up in front of a very focused market. Now, it's really hard to see how Twitch will value all the affiliates on their platform. I imagine they'll keep everybody the exact same, which again leads us back to that roadmap on YouTube. So for every 1,000 ads served on your channel while you're streaming, you will earn $1 USD. Which brings me to an extremely important part of this video for all you affiliates out there, that this most likely won't be a game changer for you. So don't put all of your eggs in one basket, because if you do the simple math, if you had 10 viewers in your stream, minusing out you and all of your bots that you might have out there, you're gonna need 10 viewers and you're gonna need to set up 10 ads per 1 hour. Oh wait, that's not right math. If you have 10 concurrent viewers within your channel, minusing you out and minusing all your bots out because they won't count. If you have 10 people, that means you have to serve 100 ads within 1 hour to make $1 US. And that's not really worth it because that's not gonna be a good impression because you're gonna be basically diluting your content. Now, even though ad revenue for affiliates won't be a game changer most likely for a lot of you out there, it's still really cool, and it's probably my favorite announcement that they did at TwitchCon because, you know, it's still earning me a little bit of extra cash, which is always something that I love to have. But, you know, you can be more strategic with the ads when they start being introduced to your channel. And I've helped a lot of partners triple their income by strategically knowing how to use ads correctly within their channel. And so when ad revenue starts coming out with affiliates there, I'm gonna bring a video out there that's gonna help you all be more strategic with those ads so you can earn more money, even if it's just a few extra dollars a month, which is still something awesome to have. So if you haven't had an opportunity, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button, okay? If you're the type of streamer out there that wants to start earning a little bit more money for your stream so that way you can help out your creative adventures, I'm gonna do you a favor. I'm gonna put a video over here on the side that's gonna show you how to make $100 per month on Twitch's platform. It's a really good video, so I recommend checking that out at the end of this video. Once again, my name is Wild for Games, and I will see you all in my next stream support video coming out real soon. Take care all, and peace!